purchased from Banggood.com the HuiNa Toys, and I think I'm saying that right, 1520 6-channel RC metal bulldozer, which is what they call it, but I call it a skip loader. I ordered it on the slow boat from China, and it came barely wrapped in just plastic, and then it was smashed up pretty good by someone somewhere, and it had broken the main part of that holds the skip loader bucket. I took photographs and sent an email and a copy of the photographs to the Banggood people, and they basically just came back and said, we'll refund you your money and you can keep the broken skip loader. Well, I wasn't happy about that. Good to get your money back, but I really wanted the skip loader. So I got busy with other things, and I just kind of let it sit on the shelf and didn't even really open it up to look at it in good detail. Well, eventually I got some free time, and I started looking at it, wondering if I could repair it. I didn't take any video or photos of the repair, but it was actually pretty simple. I just went in with a lighter and kind of the pieces of plastic that were twisted up. I heated them up and twisted them back slowly and then super glued it together, and actually it went together pretty well. I also had to straighten out the wheels that were bent, and but that wasn't too hard. Just bend them and get them to where they rolled as round as they could. I guess so that when all is said and done, even though it was broken upon receiving it, they gave it to me for free and I could fix it and it works as designed. So I guess I'm happy. It's not perfect, but it does work. Just beware that if you do order from Banggood.com, they seem to wrap their things not very well, and there is a high incidence of damage on products that you get. It may just be because they don't really care about people buying one or so items. They want to sell a whole bunch more, and they come in more of a crate, but I don't know. But anyways, it worked out good in the long run, so I can't really complain too much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on another video.